In this video, we're gonna flip this EDM classic.
But first, let me take a selfie.
Into a techno banger.
But first, let me take a selfie. How did that girl even get in here? Do you see?
We're gonna start off with a vocal. To avoid copyright strikes, I got a vocal re-sung by another vocalist. So the key to get it on Spotify is to get a copyright license. That means that you can't use any elements of the original song. So you have to remake everything. That's why we got a vocal cover, and that's why I did everything from scratch as well in this project. Let's straight dive into the vocals, sounding like this.
When Jason was at the
Which is
table,
dope,
I
but
kept
we
on
need
seeing him
to
look at me
mix
while he
it
was
some
with the other
more.
girl. Don't know
So
if it's a booty
first,
call or not.
tune it in
So,
key
like,
in
what
A
do you
minor.
think? Did you think you
Then
see
remove
her?
the
She's
low
so
end.
short.
Add
It's
some
not even
compression.
summer. Why the bathroom?
Then
Can we
add
go
some
smoke
more
a
harmonic
cigarette? I
with
really
the
need
overdrive
one.
distortion.
But first, texted
And
me
then
all
put it in
night
a
last
room
night, and I don't know if it's a
with some
booty call or
reverb.
not.
Now we're gonna spice up the breakdown a little bit more. So first, drop in a Rave bass from our new Bunker sample pack. Let's use this Reese. We are working in A minor. Start off on the root notes. And I make a really simple chord progression. Going from the A down to the F and G.
When Jason was at the table,
Something like
I kept
this.
on seeing him. He was totally texting me all night last. So, like, what do you think? Ready?
And combine
How did that
it
girl even get in here?
with a
Do you see
module
her?
automation.
She's so short, and that dress is so
just like
tacky.
this. And then to fill up the breakdown some more, I added some ambiances. Like this. All
When
together,
Jason was at the
breakdown
table,
sounds
I
like
kept on
this.
seeing him look at me while he was with the other girl. Do you think he was take a selfie?
So now we're gonna continue with a kick and bass. Let's drop in a kick from the pack. Let's go for this one. And to add some more energy, make the first one unique and reverse it and just remove the punch like this.
But first, let me take a selfie.
Just a really small thing that makes it a bit more interesting and a bit more high energy. So then we're gonna drop in the bass. Again, pick a bass preset from the pack. Let's use this one. And just drop it in at the root note.
Let me
Sounding
take
like
a
this.
selfie.
Which is already dope. Got a bit of sparkle in the high end going on. Then we're gonna mix it. First some compression.
Let me take a selfie.
Some R bass to bring out the
Let me
sub.
take a selfie.
So now I quickly gonna deconstruct the preset. We're starting off with a saw wave. An LFO routed to the level, shaped at the offbeats like this. Then drop it down to octaves. And bring down the randomness. Then enable the filter, sounding like this. And drop it in LFO1 at it. Then we're quickly gonna mix it. Some downsample for the high ends. Bit too much, so some compression. And again a filter. And then to finish it off, we're gonna drop in the kick fill. And pitch it in keys, so just put it up 7 semitone from the D to the A. Arrange it like this. Duplicate it. And to finish it off, just drop in a head loop from the pack. So all together, it sounds like this.
Let me take a selfie.
So now we're gonna dive into acid bass. We're gonna do it analog, but in today's video we're gonna do it in a box. So let's open up a new Serum and pick acid sound from the pack. Let's go for this one and drop in a 1/16 rhythm on the root note. And then I want to make it fairly rhythmic, so we're gonna emphasize these notes and then just turn it into a full loop like this. We're also gonna automate a module to create some sort of build-up effect. Then we're gonna mix it, so remove the low end to let it sit on top of your bass line. Drop in a bit more OTT, delay, reverb, filter, so we can use it in a build-up. Like this. Of course a sidechain. So altogether the acid sounds like this.
Let me take a selfie.
So now we're gonna dive into techno steps. For this remix I choose to create a typical kind of hard techno step sound. I'm gonna use the Rave generator plugin. It's a really dope free plugin which is used in a lot of techno tracks. Let's open it up and pick a preset. Let's use this one. You probably recognize it from a lot of first create a rhythm. Drop in the first one right here. Duplicate it. Like this. I want to keep it really minimal. Now we're gonna mix it. First I spiced it up with some distortion. Remove the low end. Added some delay. Some reverb. And the side chain, of course. It sounds a bit weak in my opinion, so we're gonna layer it. So let's use this preset and copy it over. Then we're gonna mix it. Of course, remove the low end. We're only gonna use the high end of the sounds. Some distortion. OTT. Then we're gonna put a stereo. Some reverb delay. Of course, the sidechain. So then I routed them all to the same channel, dropped it in Edison, and recorded the first note. And then just drop it in a pattern. Get reverse right here. And let it fade in, giving this effect. Which just simply adds some more energy to it. Then to finish it off, I want to add a wobble sound to the synth part. I think this one sounds really dope, so drop it in at the end. Like this. And to finish off the drop, I added some effects from the breakdown to it as well. So that's how you make a techno remix. I think the final result turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about it in the comments. Besides that, if you like the video, drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and I see y'all in the next videos.
How did that girl even get in here? Do you see her? She's so short, and that dress is so tacky. Who is Cheetah? It's not even summer. Why does the DJ keep on playing Summertime Sadness? After we go to the bathroom, can we go smoke a cigarette? I really need one. But first, let me take a selfie. Let me take a selfie.